Welcome back to Horizon Zero Dawn. I didn't turn off the lights. Fuck me. So, as I sit down with my amazing stride. So last episode we did the tutorial. I gained 20 health for 10 years. What is this? My pouch is full. Okay.
He said we'd go hunting this morning. Why isn't he here? Where's he gone to?
I don't know. Is there... Whoa! Mother's Watch? Ruins... Mother's... Stride Site... Scrapper Site. Okay. And this is Campfire. This is Mother's Heart. Home. Northern Embrace Gate. Okay. Striders. Campfire. Okay. Ooh. Wait, I didn't... Inventory... Wait! I'm learning the controls again. So it kept the 8 rocks I had. Crafting. Modify. Okay. Okay. Travel. Map. Quest. Notebook. Okay. I know you know more. Where's the big one? I think it's one of these two. Okay. Hologram data. Just yeah, okay. Okay, looks like a completionist nightmare. Milk approach is full.
What's he doing up there?
He's talking to someone.
He's just standing there.
Nah,
What's going on with him?
I don't... Okay, just A. What up, old
Aloy.
man?
You're here.
Did someone forget we were supposed to go hunting this morning?
No, I did not forget. I've been thinking about your training, Aloy. You've learned to hunt, learned to survive. But I fear there's a lesson I've failed to teach you. Would you learn it now?
Of course. I'll always learn what you have to teach.
There has been some trouble recently. It affords an opportunity to learn this lesson, but it will be dangerous. You must come prepared, or you will die.
Bro, I was gonna die in
Descend
my
into the
earth.
embrace and hunt until you have gathered the parts for fire arrows.
Fire arrows? What kind of trouble are we talking about?
Once you have the parts, you will meet me there, at the gate beyond the village of Mother's Heart.
The North Gate? At the edge of the Embrace?
Yes. Now be on your way.
Fine.
Is something else bothering you?
No, I'm fine.
Anything else you want me to do while I'm down in the Embrace?
Odd Grata might be out of food by now. You could hunt a week's worth of meat for her, if you find the time.
Wouldn't mind if she'd say thanks just once.
Grata follows the law. Her silence towards us is honorable, not an insult.
If you say so. Are you worrying about what happens after the proving?
What happens is clear. You will be accepted as one of the tribe, and I will still be an outcast. To be shunned.
Rost, even if the tribe accepts me, I won't...
There is much to do, Aloy. We will discuss this later.
Alright, I guess
Okay.
I'm choosing all the dialogue today.
I'll go gather the parts, but I'm also going to pay Karst a visit.
Aloy, that man breaks the law every time he speaks to you.
And I'm glad he does. I want to buy a tripcaster, and no other trader will sell to outcasts.
Stock it with ammunition, then. You'll find use for that weapon tonight.
That sounds ominous. All right, see you at the North Gate.
Why does she speak? Oh, fuck that. How do I...
Something's really bothering him. If he thinks I'm going to abandon him, he's wrong.
Alright, well, I gotta make my way. Making my way downtown. Walking fast. Fuck that shit. I get a copyright claim going like, you sang the song! Shut up. I know what I fucking sang. And it wasn't the damn song.
The embrace. My whole life, I've never gone beyond this valley. That'll change after the proving. 2 days. 2 days until I get answers. 2 days, and I'll know who she was. And why I was cast out at birth. As if there could be an excuse for that.
Scrap,
All right.
scrap,
Time
scrap,
to gather
scrap.
the parts for some fire arrows. I should find a herd.
The fuck? No mini map? This AR shit sucks. I do like this whole concept of
Going down fast.
alright, that's not what I meant to do. Fuck you!
Get on
Look
with
at.
it.
What, you don't think I'm good with a bow and arrow? Damn! Can't wait to use that move. Ooh, achievements, guys. What is this?
I'm injured. I need your help.
Am I allowed to do this?
You want to talk to an outcast?
I'm desperate for help. Whatever the consequences.
What's the problem then? Trouble with your leg?
Forget about me. It's my daughter, Arana. She's in danger. She went after a scrapper near Mother's cradle, and I fear for her life. I can't even stand up, let alone go after her. Will you help me find her?
I'll do what I can to help your daughter.
Make sure she's all right. I'm begging you.
Alright, I decided to save some stupid ass kid. Why am I an outcast? Because I'm a redhead? Huh? This is way faster than running. No waste of stamina here. Oh shit. Someone's gonna be like, you killed the fox!
Simon, where again?
Fuck you. Alright. I had such high hopes for you, Aloy. Alright. That's my fault for everything. That was a good idea. What am I, some test tube kid? And that's why I'm able to have the magnet shit on my head?
Not this time anymore.
Damn it. Get back here. Hey, you know I got tricks too, right? Really disappointing. I had to make fire arrows for this fire. I pressed B? Fuck you.
Out of ammo, but not out of ideas.
Fun. Fuck you. Alright. Hey, come back here. I'll fight you. What was the crap? Alright, cool.
Okay, you're okay.
Oh, for real? Ooh. So where's the little girl? Hang on. What's this? Talk to him. Alright, I'll see.
That must be Alana. Sounds like she's in trouble.
Oops, my hand slipped. Shut up, kid.
Thanks for saving me from those machines. thank you. I thought those Watchers were gonna tear me apart.
Your father sent me after you. It's time to go home.
I figured.
Shit.
I'll look for your spear.
You will? Oh, thank you.
Go find your father. His leg gave out while he was searching for you, just south of Mother's Heart.
Oh no.
Alright, pressing A speeds up the dialogue. I don't know where the fuck your stupid spear is. Oops, my bad. Parkour! Parkour! Little bitch! You've been annoying us. Yeah! Let's go! I'm the best. Where did my kill go? Didn't see that coming, did you, little fucker? I'm liking this game already. So I went to go look if what quest am I doing? Okay, I'll do this little side quest, and then we'll do one, and then we'll just do the main story and shit. Damn. Oh, I went the wrong way. Fuck me. Why didn't you guys say anything? I'm out here looking stupid for all y'all. I'm kidding. Don't take it so offensively.
Might need that.
Bro,
Arana's trail ends here. Must be where she saw the scrapper. If I follow its tracks, I should be able to find that spear.
Alright. Nah, you just lucky. I'm gonna beat you up. Fuck. I'm really good at shooting a bow. Alright, this feels like a Red Dead type game. So... and that might be her spear. No. What the fuck? I lost my spear. Nah. You're asking an outsider to fucking help you? Despicable.
Time to see Karst and get a tripcaster. The trail ends here. I'll bet it crossed the river. Better check the other side.
Damn. What am I, close to leveling up or some shit? I'm kind of just killing anything I see that I can kill. Gotta collect stuff so I can upgrade stuff so I can not look stupid and stuff.
There. Time to get that spear.
You little alkaline looking bitch ass motherfucker, get your ass back here. I'm gonna beat your fucking shit in. I'm gonna beat you in so bad. Melee combat is not your thing. Melee combat is not your thing. I'll fuck you up. Yeah, fucking run, piece of shit.
Here we go again.
I know yours is your fucking eye. My bad. Ooh, a CPU. Wonder how many gigahertz.
A well-made weapon. Arana will be happy. Whoa, I can perfect dodge? We're just goofing, guys. We're just goofing. Damn it. Sick. Could throw my weapons, I guess.
Get fucked. Alright, I found your stupid fucking spear. Oh, there's a bridge. Let's see how far you can run.
No one else around. Looks safe to meet. My guess is he'll be waiting for me. There he is. Looks nervous.
let me just go in. Do this little side quest for this person, and I'm not gonna do another side quest ever again. As long as
Can't be too prepared.
You know, I can't just be generous to everybody.
Mother's cradle.
We don't get around like this. Yes, we wasted 20 minutes trying to get this little bitch's fucking spear and stuff. But I got stuff. I got experience. I'm a level 4 now. You are not leveling up very nicely. But then again, maybe it's... What the fuck? Why did I go that way?
Oh, Mother be praised. Aloy's back with the spear. First you send Arana back to me, and now you've got the spear. When I first called out to you for help, I didn't even know if you'd speak to me. I'm glad you did.
Me too. I can't believe you got the spear back.
Your mother knew how to craft them. It's of exceptional make.
I'll never be the crafter she was, but she did pass along a few tricks. I'd be happy to take a look at your spear.
Thank you. It sounds like she was special. I'm sorry for your loss.
Well, because of you, I still have the spear to remember her by. You didn't have to help us, but you did. She would have admired that. Thank you, Aloy, for everything.
I want my spear upgraded.
When I think what it would have been like if I had lost Arana,
Hell yeah! Alright, are we back on the main fucking quest? Main quest. I'm still requiring some fucking shit. Bada bing, bada boom! Are you fucking for real? That's fucking
Sorry to spoil
retarded.
your fun.
Hey, get back here, you little shit. That's right, you little shit. Get fucking lost. Does it have what I need? It's like there are max I can hold?
Now's my chance.
Aim for the eyes. I'm trying.
Machine saw me.
Or not. I'm not gonna get trampled by a whole stick. Hey! Don't you know I'm a fucking... Alright. Let me see. Alright, I think I killed enough. I made some fire arrows. I'm sure I can hold more arrows in the future. Let's go talk to the dude who wants to sell me something. I don't know why I'm an outcast, but that other girl's motherless.
Snow. It's not getting any warmer out here.
Yeet.
Start.
Hey, what? You think you were gonna stop me or something? Alright. Hopefully this horse has it. I'm assuming it's a horse. No. Because, you know, a deer... I'm literally just shooting everything. Yeah, this is one of PlayStation's earlier 3D games. Like before God of War.
There he is. Looks nervous.
He's always nervous.
Well, well, well. An outcast on my doorstep. All mother protect me.
Surprised you saw me the way you keep looking every other direction to make sure no one's watching. Careful there, or you'll sprain your neck.
It's always a pain in the neck when you show up, girl, one way or another.
Last time I visited, you had a tripcaster available for trade. Still got it?
I do. But you'd need to bring me a scrapper lens. What can I say? Special weapons don't come cheap.
Oh, I can pay. Took down a scrapper not long ago. Stripped out the lens in perfect condition.
I'll be the judge of that. Show me. Now that you've got yourself a tripcaster, practice how to use it someplace else, all right? My life's exciting enough without a bunch of shock wire booby traps to trip over.
Really? Could have fooled me. I guess that concludes our business.
All right. See you around.
I've got what I need. Time to meet Rost at the North Gate.
Okay, it's like some crossbow thing. I got what I needed. I'm gonna leave. Do I still have the little pouch? Yeah, I don't see it. Where the fuck am I headed to? The front gate. Now look at explore all this new shit. Maybe? Oh, what the fuck? This game got bigger than I needed it to be. Damn. What is that? Merchant? Oh. I don't care. I was like, yeah, this is a big... I went like this, and I went, fuck. I was like, because you know it was like down here and shit, and you're like, I'm like, oh, this looks all nice, and then you scroll out. Oh my god. Well, this is the complete edition. I'm supposed to get the good shit. You know what I'm saying, fam? Yeah, they're just saying some... I don't know, some bitch-ass terms in the thing. Who knows what they're saying? What's the speed run for this game? I'm not gonna... my hand slipped. Sorry, guys.
Good meat.
Are you judging that I killed a raccoon?
Shouts from outside the embrace. I wonder what's going on.
I'm gonna get yelled at by some cunt. Hold on. Quick save.
Aloy, you're here.
What the fuck? Oh.
You have the fire arrows.
I do. Those explosions and shouts beyond the embrace. Is that the trouble you were talking about?
Yes.
You will know soon enough. Until then, we wait for dark.
Wait for dark? I don't understand. Those explosions are outside the embrace. What can we do from in here?
The lesson will be taught in due time, Aloy. Until then, we wait.
Look, Rost. I've thought it through, and I'm not going to shun you after the proving, okay? I won't do it. I'm not about to pretend that you never raised me.
Aloy, the law forbids all contact.
It does, and I don't care. I know what duty means for you, Rost, but all tribal law has ever done for me is take things away. And that's not gonna happen again.
Aloy, I must obey the law.
And so you will. I knew you'd say that, so this is what we'll do. I'll come to you in secret. No one will see me, so I won't get in trouble. And I know you won't talk to me because it's against the law, but I'll talk to you. It'll be my crime, not yours. You'll just listen. And that's how we'll handle this.
That's not what I was thinking.
Put a lot of thought into this.
I would have been like...
I know.
They said anything you
So
wanted.
you can stop worrying. It's handled.
Yes. So it is.
I saw Karst and got that tripcaster I was talking about.
I hate to think what that outlawed trader charged for a weapon of that make.
It wasn't cheap, but the caster is worth it.
Perhaps. You'll know it's worth soon enough.
Still a while to go before dark. I guess I'll get some rest.
Good idea. There'll be no time for sleep tonight.
Holy shit. Rest by the campfire. Quick save. Where's my weapons?
Opening a gate for an outcast?
Some who are shunned reaped honor before disgrace.
So much for tribal law.
I spoke to no one, and now we must both keep silent, for we are outside of the embrace. These are the true wilds, Aloy, with threats unlike any you have ever faced.
That carcass. What sort of beast was that?
The tribe calls it a sawtooth, and it's something new, something angry. Since they first started appearing 10 years ago, they have killed many braves.
Yeah.
Hold on, can I? Cool. I want damage, and I want... Okay. Can I modify clothing? Fuck. Yeah, I'm bad at the game, guys. I was kidding, but like, goddamn. Okay.
Use these.
Follow the path. It's not far.
That cabin. What happened to it?
A machine, that's what.
What sort of machine does that?
The sort of machine you're hunting now.
Oh, I see. I'll watch your carcass. I'll harvest the parts.
Watch your surroundings.
I forgot I had this. Damn.
Let's get this over with.
There'll won't be much farther now.
Why are we the only ones out here? Why can't the tribe's braves hunt this machine?
They did. The kills we passed are theirs. Tomorrow, they will hunt again.
They won't need to. This machine will be my kill.
Or your death, if you're not careful.
Nah, if it's my death, that's tough. I'm just picking up stuff so I can craft.
No room.
Damn, I need more room. Hey, look, a box.
An entire lodge? Wrecked. Why? Sawtooths? How many were there?
I didn't bring you here to answer questions, Aloy. I brought you here to deal with that.
Is it one of the tree walking shits? It's a tiger. It's a big cat.
Huge. How do you defeat it?
Fire
That will be
arrows.
for you to decide. This hunt is yours to make, Aloy. Yours alone. No matter what happens, I will not intervene. You understand? You are on your own.
I should stay out of sight. I can use the tall grass to approach. Okay, let's see. Where can I place my traps?
Oh shit.
It's on me.
I'm trying to I got it.
Forget about traveling light.
That's crazy. But now I have a bigger bag. I don't know how much bigger, but... fuck? Inventory. Okay, what if I drop that? And then I go get this. Wow.
Why did I bring you here?
Not to answer questions.
Aloy.
Survival requires perfection. It was a test to hone my skills against a dangerous new machine.
No. Follow. These are Nora hunting lands. They must be protected. If you hadn't destroyed the Sawtooth, how many Braves might it have killed or injured tomorrow? The lesson lives within the question, Aloy. For years, you've trained to win the Proving, but only for yourself. As a Brave, it will be your duty to fight for your tribe.
My tribe? You said I wouldn't need them.
But I never said the tribe wouldn't need you. The strength to stand alone, Aloy, is the strength to make a stand. To serve a purpose greater than yourself. That is the lesson you must learn. And remember it. After the Proving. And after I'm gone. We're finished here. Follow.
Yes, talking meaningful, follow me, bitch.
Dawn has passed. This will be your last day in the Embrace as an outcast. Use the time to set your mind on the challenges before you. When it is time for you to go to Mother's Heart, I'll be waiting for you along the way.
I understand the final lesson, Rost.
Do you?
But if I'm going to stand for something, it'll have to be something I believe in.
Then I hope you find it, Aloy. I hope you do.
I'll go back to the cabin with you.
I'm not heading there just yet. I have other plans.
Oh, such as?
I'll be waiting for you when it is time.
I'll see you at Mother's Heart then.
You will.
Why is it such weird dialogue? You guys speak weird. Where am I? Alright. Alright, time to just collect shit. Quick save. Cool. Well. Let me see. Do I pressed the wrong buttons. I think it's a time to call it an episode, folks. So, once again, thank you all for watching. This game is very interesting, and the beat just got really high for some fucking reason. But with that being said, everybody, that outro is now.